name is Nelson Boya. I sit in the Business Development Department at Nation DT Sacco. Yes, so when it comes to the savings, the loans and the dividends, the main relationship comes in terms of the Sacco setup. So the Sacco setup includes now members giving their deposits to the Sacco, and this deposit enables them to get some dividend at the end of the year, which now for Nation DT Sacco we paid at 20%. Then apart from that, when it comes to the loans, you access based on the savings that you have. So that's the major correlation. Yes, so in terms of now the securities you need to access a loan at Nation DT Sacco, we are very flexible and we focus majorly on that major goal of the member. What are they aiming at? For example, in case now you want to acquire an asset, we can easily use that asset as a security for that loan you are taking. And this can come in terms of now maybe the logbook of the car you are taking, or maybe the title deed of the land you are purchasing.